So this apartment is for one of my subscribers. They got it while in Nigeria. I know you can get apartments even before you land, but it's a lot of work. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to do an empty house tour. Yeah, you get that right, empty house tour. You know, like I explained before, there are some houses that people are still in and there are some that they've left. Today this is an empty house tour, so come along. Let me show you what a 1,200 Canadian dollar can give you per month. Yeah, $1,200. And you know, this includes some utility, although hydro is not there. Hydro is our electricity, it's not there, but it has water, it has parking, laundering. You have to pay with a card. As you come in, you enter into this gorgeous kitchen. It has this, of course every house has a stove in them, a refrigerator, which is like almost a brand new refrigerator. It's almost a brand new kitchen because they just fixed this one, they replaced this one, and this countertop is like almost a new one. And a lot of storages for all our mamas. And this down here too, you have storage. And this is the fridge. The fridge is like almost new. It has lots of storage, like lots of storage, and it has this dishwasher. It has a dishwasher. It has this jacket storage for visitors when they come in. Yeah, you see, it's even taller than me. It has this small storage for maybe your food stuff, if you don't want to put it in the kitchen, or your laundry, your anything you want, you can put it there. And this is the washroom. This is the washroom. Hello. It has this nice feel for a 1,002 house. And there's this other storage here too. This storage too, where you can keep your freezer, if you want to put freezer here, and some other items in case you have lots of loads. This is a really spacious house for a 1,002 Canadian dollar apartment. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is one of the bedroom. Very spacious, and it has this storage again, like storage, big one. Yeah, let's go to the second bedroom. This here is the second bedroom. It can double as a visitor's or your children's room. It's spacious compared to houses that I've seen here, and it has a walk-in closet too. I can hide. This is really a big apartment for a 1,002 Canadian dollar apartment. This is the heater controller. So let's go to the main sitting room. Ta-da! Let it flow, let it flow. So this is the sitting room. Luckily, this apartment has an AC. Most apartments, they don't have this AC. So you should be lucky when your apartment has AC. I know, like, what are you even using AC for in Canada again after dressing like this? I know the way I'm dressed like a Adimero because it's really cold. Today, cold. AC, if you're wondering why we still have AC, it's because during the summer, do you see the way we dress up like this in winter? That is how we dress down, like people wear like singlets or like very short. You see some of my videos during the summer that even me, I was wearing very short because it gets very hot. So imagine having an apartment that doesn't have AC. Yeah. Some people used to get fan anyway, but when you have an AC in the house, it is a plus for you. So these apartments comes with an AC, and of course this is big, very big and spacious. All these things that you are seeing, all this, they are heater. All these that you are seeing here, they are heater. Although this is like a fireplace too, but I'm not sure if it's working. Because some fireplace, you see the fire. I've been to a fireplace house before, but I've not seen when it's actually or when it's really working before. But that's a fireplace. And you can put your TV here. This can stay as your TV stand. You can decorate your house anyhow. And this place is the dining. Let me show you. This place here is the entrance to the kitchen, and it can serve as your dining. Yeah. So just set your dining table here and you eat your food. Do you like this apartment? Do you think it's worth the price? So this apartment is for one of my subscribers. They got it while in Nigeria. I know you can get apartments even before you land, but it's a lot of work. It's difficult, but it's not what is not achievable. Internet for you. This is a Bell fiber cable. This is a fiber cable. So once you get if you are subscribing, if you are using Bell as your subscriber, then you call them, they will connect your house for you. And if you are using Shaw, that's Shaw ports there. Shaw uses RG6. I know because I work for them. So this is Shaw here. In case you don't want to use Bell, most house is either you use a Shaw or a Bell. So I don't know price, don't ask me. And this apartment comes with this. You can go outside. What's it gone? That is what winter does for us. It will make the thing not be able to open. Anyway, there's a small outside for you in case you want to go outside during summer to sit down. Not now, because see snow outside. Let me show you. Even can you see? There's snow everywhere. That's snow, and the glass is free already. So it's a double glass. This is one here, and this is another one here. The thing is just to make the cold, stop the cold from entering. I hope you understand. These apartments is very close to all the basic mall, like close to Superstore, like 7 minutes away, close to the bank, close to Dollarama, close to school. School is just down the road, although you still need school bus to take your child to the school, because the map tells you that you can trek to a place for 10 minutes. Please don't try it, because that 10 minutes is like normal 20 minutes for your trek, especially when it is cold. So when a map is telling you, oh, school to this place is 10 minutes, please don't try and walk. Don't follow that advice. For thanks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. What part, what topic, or what do you want to see in Winnipeg again? Tell me in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get it. done for you. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. See you in my next video.